Alright, let's go. Alright, fine.
Shout out to Minecrafty123 and also Love Hearts and Hugs, which is me. Alyssa.
Alright, we're gonna play a little soccer. Let's go. Come on.
Lakers, I got you the ball.
Woo!
1 point to Noah. Fireworks.
Here we go.
I do like fireworks first.
Yes, no goal. By the way, if you see it gets between that toy and the slide, that's a goal for her.
This goal is a pet.
Go!
Fireworks.
And then we have a little assistant for her.
No, this is a firework.
Horrible fireworks. Are they invisible?
Yes.
Alright, let's get back.
I have good imagination.
Yeah, I bet you do. Oh.
No, I didn't.
No goal.
And say that this is my little brother.
Nah, I don't feel like it.
This is Noah Roberts' little brother.
Why would you say my name? What? Yeah, I know, but you gotta